Best deals. In today's video, let's review some of the trending vegetable chopper and Silsa, which significantly speeds up meal preparation by quickly and uniformly chopping vegetables. This saves time and effort, making cooking more efficient. Additionally, choppers can help prevent kitchen accidents by reducing the need for sharp knives, and they can be easier to clean and maintain than some other kitchen appliances. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Compact chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. Chopper is made of high-quality material. Preparing vegetables has never been so easy, perfect for effortlessly whipping eggs, making fluffy omelets, mixing batters, and blending sauces in seconds. Vegetable cutter machine is designed with an ergonomic angled handle and non-slip feet for stability on various surfaces. Vegetable chopper for kitchen make cooking quick and easy. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Coconut scraper. Good quality synthetic rubber used to create vacuum for firm holding. Create the vacuum by turning the vacuum knob right first and then turn left to get the vacuum created. Attach scraper to the threaded shaft till the end on the vacuumed unit with the blade cap on. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Spiralizer. Create uniform curly noodles from a variety of vegetables and fruits. Includes coarse and fine spiralizer blades plus rotary grating blade. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Vegetable chopper. This cordless vegetable chopper can chop, mince, puree, and whisk with its stainless steel blades, making it perfect for various cooking tasks. It features a 400 ml glass bowl and comes with 3200 ml mini bowls with a mini chopping blade, making it convenient for small chopping jobs. The one-touch operation and anti-skid pad ensure effortless and safe use. The chopper is USB rechargeable, eliminating the need for batteries. It includes a garlic peeler, making the process of peeling garlic cloves quick and easy. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Grater. With minimal effort you can perfectly shred and slice cheese and vegetables. Get creative and make dinner exciting again by grating, slicing and making fresh zest to take your meals to another level. Quickly prep an array of foods like cheese, potato, squash, zucchini, carrots, lemons and cucumbers. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Slicer. The kitchen gadget is very robust and durable, made of heavy-duty BPA-free ABS plastic, and can be mounted to any clean and non-porous surface with absolute ease due to its powerful suction base. This intelligently designed kitchen tool saves time as one can easily and quickly grate and slice large quantities of vegetables, nuts or cheese instead of using a knife to cut them individually. With 6 different attachments for various shapes and size of slicing and cutting, can be used to cut the salad slices, lemons, potatoes, onion and all kinds of fruits and vegetables. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cutting board. A premium grade cutting surface integrated on top, ensuring easy cleanup and durability. Equipped with multiple interchangeable blades and attachments, this tool can slice, dice, chop, and julienne with ease. This vegetable chopper is a practical kitchen tool. The vegetable chopper offers multiple functions in one highly versatile kitchen gadget, high-quality stainless steel blades and food-grade materials. The vegetable chopper can cut most types of vegetables and fruits. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Vegetable cutter. 100% safe and BPA-free material for ease of use and durability. Rust-resistant and sharp blades, stainless steel blades. Advanced push technology for professional and uniform results every time, effortlessly performs the task of multiple tools at the same time. Works 10 times faster than regular knives, perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. Perfect to chop and dice a wide range of fruits, vegetables, cheese, and more, to sharp stainless steel blades for thick and thin slices, cubes and wedges, the dicer can be easily disassembled into pieces and cleaned using a brush. Make food preparation a breeze with this innovative dicer that features advanced push technology for consistent and easy dicing or cutting food into small cubes. This smart kitchen gadget is perfect for professional chefs as well as busy housewives. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Electric Chopper. One-touch operation electric chopper for kitchen use for effortless chopping and dicing, helping you save time during meal prep and spend more quality time with your family. Quickly prepare healthy and delicious meals and snacks that the whole family will love with our food processor for kitchen. The detachable components of our dishwasher-safe vegetable chopper electric make cleaning the chopper electric for kitchen easy so that you can enjoy your meal time more. This convenient and reliable chopper for kitchen electric reduces the stress of juggling multiple tools like knives and chopping boards. A life-changing vegetable cutter electric. The ultimate more than a vegetable chopper electric for kitchen use that makes a practical and much appreciated gift for busy moms looking to simplify their daily routines. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Chopper. Interchangeable stainless steel blades for dicing, slicing, chopping, and grating. Sharp and durable for effortless cutting of vegetables and fruits. Adjustable slicer settings for thin or thick slices. Ideal for cucumbers, carrots, zucchinis, potatoes, and more. Sharp, stainless steel peeler for quick and efficient peeling. Dual function design for peeling soft and hard-skinned fruits and vegetables. Non-slip base for stability during use. BPA-free, food-safe plastic construction for durability. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Mini electric chopper. Comes with a powerful 30-watt motor, very sharp 304 stainless steel blades, 3 blades, and will provide excellent performance. You can quickly process most of the ingredients in 10 to 30 seconds. Chopper is rechargeable from any electric plug point and has a long-lasting 1300 mAh lithium-ion battery. The food chopper electric can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours. With one full charge you can use this device for up to 30 times. This mini electric chopper is extremely easy to use. Just put the ingredients in the mini food processor, place the lid, and press the on button for a few seconds to mince the food. That's it. No complicated procedures. This mini food chopper is compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel. You can carry this rechargeable chopper in your backpack or suitcase very easily. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Chopper. Versatile kitchen gadget is great for dicing, mincing and crushing garlic, onion, tomato, fruit, nuts, herbs, vegetables and more. Small but powerful device includes bowl, removable sharp stainless steel blade and cover with handle, insert food, secure top and push easy grip handle for fast results. Blades and bowl are top rack dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopper. All-purpose 6-in-1 food processor now chops meat and vegetables, make salads, knead the dough, make a batter for cakes, pastries and pancakes, blend milkshakes, baby food, soups and stews. Crush ice and enjoy frozen drinks. 4 settings in the slicer dicer disc for fine and thick juliennes as well as fine and thick slicing. Additional dough blade for kneading dough hygienically and conveniently. The first gear setting is ideal for dicing as it generates power, while the 4th gear is ideal for fine chopping as it enables a faster speed. This chopper helps you get consistent results every single time, making prepping an absolute pleasure. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Slicer. Comes with 3 cutting options and 30 thickness options ranging between 1 mm and 8 mm. Cutter multifunctional lets you slice, strip, dice, and julienne your vegetables safely in seconds. 40+ different cuts do not need to change blades. This mandolin chopper for kitchen vegetable cutter for kitchen slicer is perfect for cutting potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, cabbage cutter, carrots and more. Vegetable slicer and chopper is a 5-in-1 slicer without a changing blade. The mandolin is easy to clean under water or a dishwasher machine. Push to cut vegetable chopper has a collapsible design. You can fold and tuck it away into your cabinet or drawer after use. This also makes it easier to bring anywhere. Sturdy ABS plastic and 100% BPA-free materials make the vegetable chopper kitchen durable and safe for regular use. Product link is given in the 14th link.